Hey guys, and welcome back to Hugh Coco. Today I'm going to be doing a quick cooking vlog for you guys. It's going to be on salmon, a bed of rice with some Brussels sprouts and just something really light for lunch. But I decided that I would go ahead and film it because this is like my favorite go-to snack. And not even necessarily a snack, a full meal, but I will be showing you different photos in between just to make it faster, to speed up the process. But today I'll be using one salmon fillet as well as about maybe a handful of Brussels sprouts. I'll show you guys the process on how I cut them up and cook them and things like that, so just stay tuned. Right now we have the Brussels sprouts going. Yeah. Okay guys, so these are some of my products that I'm using today. It's going to be black pepper, honey for the salmon and the Brussels sprouts. I love garlic salt, so obviously this sweet paprika is so important. I just started getting into this paprika thing, so guys, bear with me, but it's very delicious to put on there. It's like a nice flavory extra add-on that you can put in there. So if you want to try that on fish or anything like that, look up some recipes, or like I said, just follow this one. Something good. We have the teriyaki sauce for the Brussels sprouts, standard salt for the salmon, and then we have some everyday seasonings in here. Just got this from Trader Joe's. It's awesome. Love it, love it. So yeah, this is what we'll be using today. Okay guys, so they just finished steaming. So now what we're going to do is put in all the ingredients to get this nice and cooked. You want to steam it about halfway just to get them nice and soft. What we're going to do next is cut off all the bottoms of them, and I'll show you that. We have the garlic rice going, garlic butter rice. Alright guys, so like I said, what you want to do is cut off the bottoms of these. Now whenever I'm grilling this, or I'm sorry, putting this in the oven to make them soft, I do this ahead of time. I wash them, then I cut them in half and everything like that. If I boil them in water, I just wash them off, and then I boil them, cut them, and then I kind of get to styling. To each its own on that. I found, you know, it still tastes the exact same. So again, whatever your preference is, what I'm doing once again is just cutting them all in half and cutting the butts off. So we'll get back to that in just a second. Alright guys, so here we are with it completely cut up and all the butts removed off of it. So what we're going to do next is go ahead and grab this teriyaki sauce, and we're going to measure that out alongside with so this is my little recipe that I like together. I like to do a little bit of soy sauce, a little bit of teriyaki sauce, and then we also like to do some honey to get it nice and sweet. I like to do a little bit of salt and pepper, just light, barely, because this is going to hold us over with flavor, but you know, just a little bit of flavor. So I'll show you guys how it looks once we pour it all in. So here we are. Sorry guys, trying to do this in a normal way. I'm so not used to doing this. So like I said, you just want to coat it a little bit. Spin it all around. Those nice flavors going in there. Already smells good. Okay, and then let me get the teriyaki open. You just bought this, so you already know. Oh, the rice is already ready. So the rice is now ready, guys. Our garlic butter rice. I also finally got the teriyaki open. For that as well. Like I said, these are your sauces that you're using. And then you just want to get a pinch of... This is with the teriyaki, the soy sauce, and then a little bit of water in there, alongside with a little bit of salt and pepper. So this is what it's looking like right now. We're going to go ahead and get it on the eye to go ahead and start cooking, and then I'll show you once we insert the honey. So I'm always indifferent if I'm ever going to use frozen fish, not going to use frozen fish, if it's fresh fish or not. Today I just settled with some frozen fish. No big deal. Again, guys, to each its own on all of this. I don't want anyone to feel like, you know, that they don't have the right to get whatever they want to get and that it'll still taste good. So this is just a frozen piece of fish. And yeah, we're about to go ahead and get it open, get it washed, and get ready for prep. Alright guys, so as you can see, this is what it should be looking like once you get it on the eye. I have it on 4. For most people that's medium. And yeah, this is what it should kind of be doing on its own with a nice little glaze. And then we're just going to go ahead and add and top it with this honey. So, like so is how I like to do it. And I just keep mixing it up. I like to let this cook for about 10 minutes. With the Brussels sprouts already nice and tender, you just want at this point for it to just be getting the flavor infused. So that's what this will be. And this is the final product. I did some onions and mushrooms just because I'm so addicted to onions, but now my new thing is mushrooms. So mash up. Honey glaze, salmon, garlic, butter, rice, and then we have teriyaki soy, honey glazed Brussels sprouts.